A long, long time ago, before there were people, animals, or even dinosaurs, the Earth was just a young, fiery planet. It had just been born from space dust, spinning and bubbling like a giant ball of lava. But the early Earth was not alone. Far away, another planet was forming, about the size of Mars. Scientists call it Theia. Now Theia was curious. It drifted closer and closer to Earth until one day, boom! A mighty crash shook the solar system. Theia smashed into Earth with such power it was like a billion volcanoes exploding all at once. Rocks, fire, and molten metal flew everywhere. Pieces of Earth and Theia were flung into space, spinning and glowing like sparks from a giant cosmic fire. But these fiery pieces didn't just float away. They started to dance. They twirled and spun around the Earth, drawn by gravity. Bit by bit, they gathered together, forming a giant glowing ball in the sky. That glowing ball became the moon. Over millions of years, the moon cooled down. Its surface became covered with craters made by space rocks crashing into it. Some craters were big, some small, and they're still there today. And from that day on, the moon stayed beside the Earth like a faithful friend. It helped steady Earth's spin. It pulled on the oceans, creating waves, and at night, it lights up the sky with a gentle silver glow. So when you look up and see the moon shining, remember the wild and wonderful story of how it was made, from a cosmic collision and a beautiful dance of fire and dust. Want more amazing space stories? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Storytime TV, where science meets imagination.